All right, good. After this is the last part that I need to go over. This is the graphs. You can barely see those top parts up here. These are the actual graph functions. This is how they look like. I'll also show it a little bigger on a bigger scale, and I've written it down here where you can see it. First off, one thing you should probably be the easiest way to do it would be recognize your sine and cosine graphs right off the bat. Sine and cosines will be the waves, and sine starts at the origin. So of the wave ones, the one that starts at the origin is right there. So that would make A, 45 would be A sine x. This would be y equals sine x. So then this is the other wave one. That makes this one BC. This one is D, is cosine x. This is y equals cosine x because it's a graph and it starts at the point 0, 1. Then probably to me the next easiest ones to do are the cosecant and the secant. And here's what I noticed. Sine reciprocal is cosecant, meaning that everywhere that sine hits 0, there will be an asymptote. Well, notice as I look at these U-shaped, the asymptotes for sine hit right here and right here. So therefore that makes this one y equals cosecant x because it's the reciprocal of sine. So that makes this one E. And then conversely then, the cosine graphs hit reciprocals 0 right there. So that would put these right here, meaning the reciprocal of the cosine will be the secant x graph. So that makes this one letter B. And then now we're down to tangent and cotangent. And I simply have to remember this. Tangent will be y over x. And if you have y over x, that means whenever x is 0, which is the cosine graph, you will be undefined. So let's look at this here. I know this. My tangent graph always, in a sense, makes up. So I know this one is C, and then by process of elimination, it makes this one is y equals cotangent x right there. And so then this is when y is 0. Notice when y is at 0, that's when your asymptotes would be right there for the cotangent. And when x is 0 on your cosine right there, that is where it's at. These graphs at, that's where it's at. The cotangent is for right there. All right? So I hope you have those down. I am going to go ahead and show you a nice, better, bigger graph of each particular one so that you can see it. If you will bear with me a second while I erase this. Move over to our part right here. And here we go. If you would. And there. That is a better graph of the sine graph. There's a better picture for your sine. Notice it's a curve and it starts at the origin. The next one's cosine and it starts, if you can see my little marker right there, up at 0, 1, that's cosine. Here is a tangent graph. It snakes up with asymptotes at w pi over 2 right there. This one would be the cosecant graph. It would be the sine graph would look something like this here. If we were going over it, the values are 1, this is negative 11.75 to kind of show those. Here's the secant graph. So the asymptotes at the different spot, a little closer. And then here's the cotangent with asymptotes at the pi's and zeros. All right? And that would be the cotangent. There is that opportunity right there. There's our review. And I wish you good luck.